Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you list items on Depop but they're not showing up in search or the explore feed? Here's what to check. First, confirm the listing is live by going to your profile. Then tap ceiling and then check that the item shown as active status rather than draft or unlisted. Sometimes listing item saves as a draft if the network drops mid-upload. If it shows active but isn't appearing in the search, new listings typically take up to a few hours to index in Depop's search algorithm. Then waiting 2 to 3 hours after listing before checking is normal. If listings are still not appearing after 24 hours, then go to the App Store and update the Depop app to the latest version that is available. Since a feed indexing bug in a specific app version has historically caused this issue and is resolved in newer builds. Also, force close the Depop app and reopen it after updating it. Since the app sometimes needs a fresh session to pull the updated field. All you gotta do is check the listing is active, wait a few hours for indexing, update Depop, and force close and Depop. Reopen. Listing will appear in the feed, and that's it. Subscribe.